Well, good morning. I've got on my shades because it's pretty bright. We just had the blizzard of 26 um, in the Northeast. We've inland only an inch or two on the other side of the Berkshires, so I'm on the eastern slopes. So I've got 3 inches, which is nothing. I know people in the central Berks who had well over 8 inches. I know people who are more coastal who had over 2 feet of snow, and people in the central part of Massachusetts that had over 10 inches of snow. Um, a lot of things were canceled on Monday, of course, and then the extension is a lot of things were delayed or canceled on Tuesday as well to deal with the huge amount of snow and the infrastructure of closures and whatnot. Most of the state has been shut down to deal with the snow. And there's more coming, as if this wasn't enough already. Um, Anybody who's interested in snow and all of its wonderful impacts and so on, I can't really flip the camera around as I'm recording, but I'll make other videos of the snow and um, what that looks like as I adventure on my into my day. So thank you for watching and stay tuned. Cheers.